What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. We got Steve here today, and we are working on his brand new, to us, Yamaha Virago 535. So the story with this bike is pretty much picked it up from someone that lives close by, and it was actually functioning when I got it. However, it was only running on one cylinder. So brought it home and decided to take the carburetors apart. And what I found was that the valve flow, it's kind of hard to see. Oh, let me get that flashlight. Where did I put that thing? But essentially, up in the top right-hand corner of the carburetor is supposed to be a little float valve, and that had come out and fallen down in the carburetor and was sitting at the base of the bowl. So before we can get this thing running, we're gonna fix that carburetor, put a new float valve in it. So that was the busted one. Here's the new one. You can see that little clip is in one piece instead of two. So what we're gonna do is see if we can't get this thing installed without having to take the carburetors off. And if we can't get this thing in, looks like we're gonna be taking it all apart, taking the gas tank off, removing the carburetors, and yeah, if we get that far, we're just gonna do the entire rebuild kit. So keep your fingers crossed and wish us luck. That would be pretty impressive. It would be. You want me to pull the brake? Right. Brake? We're gonna like kind of roll it towards you just a little bit. Yeah. And then you're gonna push it as hard as you can. Oh shit. Alright. That's it. Alright.
You ready?
Do it. Oh, so close to my nails.
You don't need those.
No, I don't need those.
You lost them last year.
Oh yeah, they're my wife's purse.
I don't know if you get married already.
Yeah, last year.
Okay. You know, somewhere close in the ballpark range.
Oh, this is terrible. This is terrible. Oh, what's this? Tweezers, you say? I don't have to go in and sully my wife's tweezers.
I was gonna say the same thing.
Great. This is freaking great. Oh my god. Holy shnikes. Oh. We're good.
You weren't holding on tight enough.
We're good.
Just that is a thing we don't want to lose.
No. We got one more though, in case this one breaks.
Okay.
Not that we want this one to go.
No, of course not.
Hello. Oh, it's catching. Oh no. Oh no.
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh my god, dude.
Now, if this repeatedly happens and you've got this on film, you've got to put a montage of dropping it and retrieving it.
A drop counter?
Dude, a montage of dropping it. Yeah, a drop counter.
Dude,
too.
I'll do a drop counter. Oh no, bro. Oh, I just had to like give it a little tug. All right.
Got it?
Yeah, we got the float out. Sounded Australian when I said that. It's a little gassy.
Show the camera.
All right, so that was what was stopping me. That does not sit in there by itself though. Oh, now I see why he said it was tricky. Because you have to get the float in there with the valve on it.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh. Maybe
Oop.
don't. God. No.
Did it break?
No, it didn't break.
Oh, okay.
Well, the part didn't break. My soul was broken a little bit. Because I don't know which ones are gonna make it happen.
I'll figure it out.
Oh. No, no, no. Fuck. Damn it.
What happened?
Did it again.
It fell?
It fell again.
Oh, shit.
I was so close.
This time I don't see it. Or do you?
We figured out the best way to do it is to take off these tubes here. And when you get that, you have to use a set of picks and some tweezers. But once you do, I can't get the light right. There we go. But once you do, you can, you actually have to hold it in, and you can get the little plate on the float. You can kind of butt it up against that valve to hold it in place, and then you use a pick to gently pry the one arm of that clip. Just pry it around just enough to get it to slip on. Whew. Oh man, so we finally did it. After what, like 2 hours?
I thought it was like 3 weeks.
Oh my God. So now all we gotta do is place these tubes back on and get the bowl cover on. Well, let me try. Is there a choke? Oh, here's the choke.
I was gonna say.
Oh, it's recording. Sweet, we got it going, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Now it's gonna need some love a little bit. It's gotta be ran through. I don't think this has been ran in years.
We're gonna need to do an oil change for sure.
Oh yeah, it's searching a little bit. But once it gets warmed up, it'll be a lot better.
That's good, that's good. That's what I want to hear.
All right, well, before she bogs out,
My
I guess
hands are
that's
freezing,
yeah,
too.
that's all we're gonna do today. We got the Virago going. Oh, hopefully we'll get a better video when it's lighter out, but we got it going, brother. So
Heck yeah.
if you like that video, like, subscribe, catch you on the next one. Peace.